I have already informed you, the school only gives the information that comes from books, but true use of that information is at home. How parents involved with their children continuously help them to find their destination. So parents, if not equal, even more than the school, they have a great role to play. So on this occasion, I wish to thank some of the parents who take a lot of care about their children. Not they are sick or they are getting marks or this or not that. They are growing up with responsibility and joining with them in their interest and committing with the children. And today I am bringing an example of a parent who has been a true support to his child. Kind of encouragement and support comes from true parents. Others are not saying true parents, they are mothers and fathers, not parents. So I want to bring the example of a parent who has supported his son. I also want to call the child to come forward. Can you tell the parents how in such a manner he could be very creative, positive and doing things in such a manner? I want many parents to come in the list. I also want to request the parents, Mr. Guruna and the mother also to come forward.
Look how they do and understand their life cycle and learn information about it. My name is Namansvidam. Namansvidam means gratitude to the Almighty, thanking God. We see God, I see God in the nature through all the creatures in this world. If we look around, we find many tiny creatures whose lives are amazing and inspiring too. Today I am going to show you some of the lovely creatures that I have come through. This is in Bangalore where I went for a seminar. When I went for seminar, I met the followers of Mr. Tejasvi. Here when I caught the scorpion, the emperor scorpion, they have a lovely life. When the scorpions be young ones, the adult scorpion carries their baby scorpions on its back and travels wherever it goes. Its scorpion, which was found in the same place, it has lots of poison, but it didn't sting me. This is a Tarzanine red-leg millipede which I got in our garden and kept for 3 days and left it at the same place. This is a dragonfly which sat on my hand at our grandmother's place. This looks very long. This is the praying mantis, whose life cycle is very interesting. It leaves out a lateral kind of liquid which becomes hard and turns into an egg sac. And there are about 200 eggs in the egg sac, and when it has down 200, it is called the praying mantis because its hand are stretched as if it is praying. This is the same mantis on the head. This is the egg sac of the mantis. It lives in water. It looks like a scorpion but not a scorpion. It is called as giant water bug. This is a jelly worm which was caught in the same place where I caught the giant water bug. This is the photo while I was catching them. This is a stick insect which hides to sticks and catch its prey, which is more. Its prey can also be more than 4 times its size. This also looks like a praying mantis, but it's not a praying mantis. The hill where I caught both scorpions. This is the spider web. This is a colored bat which I caught in our temple. I was playing with my racket and it just caught in my racket. This is the same bat in my hand with aquarium. This is the photo while I was freeing the bat. This is one of the rare squirrel. It is known as albino squirrel. It will be in white color. Albino is a disease. It's a color disease. It can lose its color by. This is another same squirrel. You can see a lizard there. That's not a lizard. That is a baby of a gecko. This is a large gecko which I caught in my net, made for catching insects and animals. This is a bird feeder which birds can feed through it. If it keep on eating, from the holes the seeds come out. This is the water dispenser. This is the time when a monkey was destroying my bird feeder. This is my rat trap. When I caught the rat, it works like this. There are 2 holes over here and a wire comes inside this. Again a rubber band here and another rubber band here. There is a hole over here where a thread can pass through and a net can, food or any food item can get in. We can tie this to the cap, to the lid like this. Again when it comes and eat it, it just closes and the rat is trapped inside it. This is the time when I caught a vine snake which hangs like a vine on trees and grab its prey. It has little venom like the venom in the bee stinger. This is the same snake. This is the same snake which was in the tree. This is the skin of a cobra. It sheds its skin when it gets dry up. This was my cat named Gauri, my sister. This is a cow where we found in the Goshala. This is a parrot whose wings are injured and cannot fly, rescued by a farmer found in his farm. This is at our mango field. some people was grazing some sheep and goats. This is at the hill. This is the crocodile made from paper, wetting paper, tearing it into pieces and make it into shapes. After getting dried up, it becomes like a statue. This is while I was catching the snakes. The thing in my hand is called snake hook. This is a frog which was at Bangalore, found near my house. Thank you.
You can guide your child to be. They have really done their duty as a father and mother. And this child is growing up with a very positive, creative mind. Just because his parents are joined in the journey of life. And this is what, my dear parents, you have to do to your children. Talk to them. How intimate, how close they are. How they are participating with the child's movement towards what is right. His thoughts, everything is guided by nature. And God Himself joins with him in the nature in this process. So, how can your child go wrong? How positive, how creative, how wonderful your children will be. I want every parent to do this and come here with your child, and I'll give you a chance to talk in this manner so that your child himself or herself will explain what are the wonderful things they do and become an example for the whole of humanity. The whole school is impressed, influenced, inspired. So this is how a father and mother, not that very anxious to feed them. Even I notice parents are so anxious to see their children, how they are sitting there. They are anxious, they think that we are not taking care of the children. They have to take care. This is the real care. This is the real care. I like to give the father to give a comment on what this is.
ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನನಗೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನೇನಾದ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ, ನನಗೆ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷನೇ. ಇವಾಗ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ನಾನು ಬರೀ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂದರು. ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣವೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟು ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಥರ ಕರೆಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಇದನ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂಗೀತ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಹುಚ್ಚು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಇವನು ಸಂಗೀತದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇವನಿಗೆ. ಆವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋದು, ಇವನೇನು ಸಂಗೀತದ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋದು. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಸಂಗೀತ, ಇವರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಂಗೀತ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಅವನ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಗಮನಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕವನಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಇರುವೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ನೋಡೋದು ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. Then I could make out his interest in this nature and all the creatures in the world. So I thought I should encourage him, and I always in the weekends when I have a holiday to the shop, ನಾನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಚರ್ಯ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ರಜಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ I take him out on an expedition so that we can find something interesting, and I enjoy taking pictures. So both of us together enjoy together. So thank you very much for recognizing this. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Merely recognition, but is an inspiration for me, for all the parents, and I think there will be many more parents will be coming in for this type of. I'll be very happy to have the parents coming for It is the richest thing in the world. The father and mother takes interest because they are taking interest in tours, travels, so many things. He is not talking about tours and travels. He is making a journey of life. So please take this as an example. I thank him so much for bringing up his child in this manner. He inspires me, and I am looking for children like this. And I think we will have a lot of opportunities in future. More and more parents will come forward with this type of presentations so that the whole world will become a better place and the parents know what to do with their children, not merely feed them. And also it is inspiration for all of you are sitting here, how he engages himself. And you can also come here, and when the public occasions will present your things, and in future you may go to Delhi and get your awards. Now here, so I gave him this small presentation for his little efforts. Now we begin our